Hello, in this video I want to show you how to cancel subscription in SkyShowtime. And to do this you'll need to click on your profile picture on the top right corner of the screen. Right here we can see the account, click on that gear icon. Now this website is set in a Polish language. Sadly there's no way to change it for me, and I asked the support and apparently this website is not available in English. So to cancel subscription, you'll see your plan right here and there's a cancel subscription button. Click on it. Now you can leave your opinion if you like. You can skip it by clicking on continue, and after doing so your subscription will be cancelled. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.